Be a legacy builder.
Please share with the viewers what they can do to build a good credit record so that they stand a chance to get a better rate when looking for finance.
Okay, so to build a better or a good credit record, there are actually 5 variables that you look at, right? Your debt to loan payment is key. It constitutes about 30-35% of it. How quickly you pay, how religiously you pay your loan, how many accounts you have, how frequently are you taking credit or any other line of credit is crucial. So basically what you need to do is manage. You need to be able to pay off your loan, your credit lines on time. You need to be able to use less credit. Credit is good, by the way. I always use credit and I'm an advocate for it. But let's say you've got a credit line of 30,000 rand. It's either you'll be able to pay off. If you use that 30,000 rand, you must be able to pay it off. Maybe you've got a salary or an income that covers it all. If not, then always make sure that your debt to credit line ratio is very low, because that constitutes more, according to FICO, it constitutes more towards at about 35% towards your credit score weighing. So that is very important. So basically manage, take out less. Sometimes also you need to mix debt structure. So in essence, people will just have home loan account and that's it. No, that also sometimes doesn't work to your favor, because the bank wants to see how versatile you are in terms of sticking to your obligations. So a line of credit, a line installment loan from Edgar's or wherever, any retail shop can also assist. But whatever you're doing, make sure that you are staying in control of that credit line, because if it goes the reverse way, it is very deadly. It probably will choke you financially.
And I think, Ekow, I mean, you had said, I think one of the other key things when it comes to understanding how we can better our credit score is, I think a lot of us always want to find creative ways of bettering our credit record, and obviously being able to use that to negotiate with banks, whether it's, for example, in buying a property or buying a car. And I do urge our viewers at home to firstly just be on top of what your credit score is. You're entitled to one free update per annum across the different bureaus. So do utilize that, because I think that will help you get a sense of what is happening. And in the event where there's something wrong in your credit record, you're able to fix it before you start any application, because you don't want to find out while you are in the middle of an application that there's something on your credit record that is incorrect, or a debt that you had paid off many years ago that's actually still sitting there and saying that you owe. So do make sure that you do that, and you can go to any of the major credit bureaus to get that free score.
Be a legacy builder, and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.